Hey guys, welcome back to Diecast Files. So today we will unbox the Hot Wheels Premium Porsche 911 Turbo from the Cyberpunk 2077 game. A beautiful card art. So we have V here and here's the car, guys. I can't wait to unbox it. Let's quickly take a look on the back. You can pause if you want to read all those. Let's unbox this. Looks like I need to tear down the whole thing. Here's the car, guys. Looks really nice, I must say. Okay, the back, I hope you guys can make it on the camera. So when it was in the packaging, I thought that the back is having the black color, but now when I see it closely, it has the color of I will say seaweed. Nice touch. So here's the front of the car. Let me zoom in. Nice details, I will say. We have the Porsche badging there. We have the painted headlights, and we have some number plate details as well. Okay, I was not expecting it. And we have the Porsche text here. Looks nice. On the top, what do we have? Let me again zoom in. I don't know what exactly is that, but yeah, some numbering, some text, some bold details kind of. And here's the back. Overall looks nice. On the back we have Samurai, so we all know that is Johnny Silverhand's band. Don't worry guys, no spoilers, that's all I will say, nothing much. And we have some rear details. The base is made of metal. This is from the Hot Wheels Premium series. We have some minor details here. Looks nice, I will say. And guys, yes, the wheels are made of rubber. Let's see. Yes, spins really nicely. This car is also known as the Widowmaker because there was a huge turbo lag. So the drivers who are unaware of it, so of course they died. And this is the only officially licensed car in the Cyberpunk 2077 game. Looks really nice. Get one if you can, means if you can find it around you. I know the scalper scene, guys, so they are a menace everywhere. Let's quickly do a roll test. Yes, rolls really nicely and has really nice weight to it as well, since this is from the premium lineup. Okay, that's all then from this video. See you guys on the next one.